Hello everyone, welcome back to FX Street. My name is Akash and today we're going to be taking a look at the top gainers and discuss what the coins have in store. Hopefully try to deduce if the coins have more strength in them for this week and if they're going to rally. Right, so before I actually get into what the coins are and what's happening with each coin, please make sure to head on over to our YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button. And if you want to stay updated to the hottest trends in the crypto market, please make sure to also click on this bell icon. You can give us a follow on Twitter at FXSCrypto, and if you enjoy the content that I put out, basically on my Twitter at Mangek with a 0 at the end, or on my YouTube channel, right, please make sure to also give me a follow. Right, yep, so let's take a look at the top gainers, right? FLM or Flamingo, this was a really good gainer last week. As you can see here, the price rallied. Okay, even at the close, the price was up 78%, and at one point in time, it was up 381%. Right, so yeah, this coin has suffice to say due to the market conditions that's kind of evolving right now and evolved over the last few hours. Over the weekend, things are not looking pretty good here. Like from the peak, the coin is down 71%, kind of like almost like a bear market correction that you see here in two candlesticks. And not even two daily candlesticks. This day still has 14 hours to go, so basically 24 plus 14, that is 38 hours more to go. Just in 38 hours the coin has dropped 71%, which is a bear market style correction, and from top to bottom it is 76%, right? So yeah, FLM, right? What you can expect from this coin. The coin rallied quite a bit since 10th May, and now it's undone, and it's kind of breached below all of the important buy zones, and it feels like it's approaching this consolidation that took place here, which is now serving as a support level at 0.109. And as you can see here, the price has already bounced off of this and rallied approximately 24%. Even if you're longed FLM here on perps with 20x leverage, you would have made shit tons of money just by this 24% upswing that you see here, right? So moving forward, let's get into a lower time frame to see what's happening. There is a clear FEG that extends all the way up to 0.245. Now you can expect the price to go up, right? But nothing is kind of certain, at least until Bitcoin kind of stabilizes. And as you can see here right now, the price has filled this, the price has crashed and it still continues to crash with decent 15-minute green candlesticks every now and then, right? So the sellers, this kind of indicates that the sellers are still in control, right? So until you see Bitcoin stabilize, right, we're currently at 23k territory. So until this happens, I don't see a reason why any of the altcoins should rally, right, or at least recover part of the losses, or why FLM should go all the way up to 0.243 because of the FEG. So right, also now that I look at it, there is a clear bearish breaker that I see formed here, right? So yeah, until and unless we get a decisive 4-hour candlestick close above 0.153, I don't see FLM going any higher. And even if it does breach this on a 4-hour time frame, it is better to do things, wait for a confirmation with the daily candlestick close, or see if Bitcoin stabilized and then proceed with caution. That's all I can say, right? If we get a breakdown of 0.1094, there's a good chance price could head all the way down to this support level here at 0.0892. So yeah, that is pretty much it for FLM. Let's move on to the next coin, which is UNFI. Yeah, this coin saw a major uptick over the last week. Hold up, let's see how much it rallied. Okay, so the coin rallied 1,600%. Basically a bull run in a single week is what you saw with UNFI, right? And since then the price has tanked quite a bit, which is like a clear sign. 87% down tick after, that is before the candlestick close, and the weekly candle shows a return of 112% in a single candle. Oh my god, right? So let's take a look at what's happening on a lower time frame. Obviously the price is down bad. It is coming back into, like, it's already back into this parallel channel that I kind of forecasted the week before that. I'm not sure which week though. Yeah, but like I mentioned, right, there's quite a bit of FVG here all the way down to this point up here, and so there is a very real possibility that the coin goes all the way down to 3.8. Yep, 3.8, and even below that, right, there's another FVG here that extends. Yep, that extends from 2.7 to 3.15. 2.7 to 3.15. Yeah, and let me just take this off. There's no use for this. There's no use for this. Right, so there are two major FVGs here, anywhere from 3.8 to 4.3, and the other one extends from 2.7 to 3.15. So basically from the current position, you are looking at a 38% drop, right? Like I mentioned, if you haven't watched today's screener video where I take a look at this anti-wind screener and try to filter out a couple of altcoins that you can trade for the week, please make sure to go ahead and watch that first, because in that I explain kind of project that the altcoins still have another 20 to 40% downtrend remaining, right? So this 40% drop that I'm seeing here right now kind of fits perfectly well with the forecast that I did in that particular video, right? So yeah, expect another 40% downtrend for UNFI. Let's take a look at LIT. Yeah, LIT seems pretty reasonable here. The price rallied 129% between 7th and 8th June, and then it crashed all the way. It literally retraced the whole move and then some. So basically it excuse me, it swept the range low at 0.582, and since then rallied another 85%, right? Dropped another 39% and then rallied another 41%. So this is pretty interesting, and LIT seems to be the only coin that has rallied quite a bit over the last hour. It has rallied 11%, and yeah, and I think it's gonna continue going. I don't, yeah, wait, considering high, lower high, lower high, lower high, so this trend, if it continues, I don't see LIT going anyway. Even the wick, I don't feel like it's gonna go above the 50 retracement level of this range here at 0.962, right? So expect something like this, diminishing returns, blah blah blah, right? That is what I'm expecting, right? Again, like I mentioned, the price hasn't completely swept the range low at 0.582, so expect retracement all the way down to this range low here from the current position. That would be 35% drop. Yeah, so like I mentioned, LIT 35% downswing possibility, UNFI 38%, and FLM, like let's turn on the log. FLM also looks like open for a 30% drop. So all of these coins, you can expect at least a 30% drop in these coins to occur over the next week, right? So let's take a look at the actually, you know what, that's pretty much it. So that's it for the top gainers. If you enjoyed this analysis, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.